Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the November. How is it November already? What has this year been? The November Birchbox. Oh my goodness, is 2020 over yet? Almost. We're very, very close. So as I've mentioned several times before, I live in France. This is the French Birchbox, and last month they changed their name to gain independence from Birchbox of America. So although technically this is Blossom, it's the exact same thing. It's still Birchbox, but French. So with that disclaimer aside, we are gonna unbox November and see what is happening. I'm very excited because the last two boxes for Birchbox have actually been super good. Probably the best two I think I've had. And this is one where I'm always like, do I want to keep my subscription? I don't know. So hopefully this one is good. So for this month, the cute little theme is Nuggets of Autumn. And we have this pretty little colored pencil floral design on the box, which is super cute, as always. And when we open the box, let me just rearrange it so it's a little bit neater. We are greeted with 5 items, and I'm already a little bit disappointed because I don't see any makeup items. Wah wah. Nonetheless, let us dive in and see how good these products are this month. So first and foremost, we have a shampoo by Huygens. It's a French brand, and this is in the scent Bois Rose. Okay, so I think it's pink wood, not rosewood. Otherwise it'd be rose bois. Freach. It smells kind of like, I've had Huygens before. I had the dry oil, I think it was, yeah, several months ago, and it was really nice. I liked it, but it smells exactly the same. It's a very, I don't want to say masculine, woody, non-super feminine scent. It's nice. And people, you know my sentiments. I really don't care at all to get a shampoo in my subscription boxes. I have shampoo. I can buy shampoo. This will be what? 1, maybe 2 washes. I'm not interested. In any case, I'll give it a go, and it's nice, I suppose, if you're traveling, but nobody's traveling right now, so I don't know why I bothered to say that. In any case, this, of course, is not full size, imagine. And the value of this guy, 64 cents. I think I've identified the cheapest item in the box straight away. 64 cents, that's the first item. Let's go on to number 2. Up next, we are gonna take this guy, and this is the Pai, P-A-I, Rosehip Fruit Extract Cleansing Oil. So we got an itty bitty little cleansing oil. Cleansing oils are popular right now. This again will probably be a couple washes. I suppose for this, it's a good size to try it. Never heard of the brand before. Supposedly lifts makeup away. This kind of smells exactly like the shampoo I just took out, which is interesting. Just a very natural oil scent. That's aight. Me. I don't know. I just like, I don't know. I don't really care for it, if I'm being honest. It's nice, I'll use it, but whatevs. And this guy, the value for this mini size is €2.64. So again, not really great on the whole value of the box thing. Number 3. Let's take out this little itty bitty guy because I've heard about the brand a lot and I really wanted to try it. This is the Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment by Sunday Riley. So I know Sunday Riley is an expensive, nice skincare brand, but 5 mils. It doesn't even want to be here, does it? What am I going to do with 5 mils? Not much. I feel like that's 1 or 2 tries, and just for skincare, that's really not very much. I'm not gonna make up my mind as to whether or not this really has done anything for my face, for me, with 5 mils. Why? It just does not want to stay. It's left, it's gone. It knows I'm not happy with the situation. Overall, yeah, I'm excited to try it, but it's a measly 5 mils. A little bit disappointing. And actually the price is not in the booklet even for this, so I had to go online. The full size is worth €95. Okay. Making this little 5 mil guy worth €15.83. All right. What? That's a lot. I'm not loving this box, am I? Good news, the last 2 items seem to be full size, so hopefully we get something a little bit better there. Next, I'm gonna take out this cool thing that looks like a liquid eyeliner, but I know is not. This is the Garancia Larmes de Phoenix, or Phoenix Tears. So this is basically an eyelash booster, which I don't think I've ever bought one of those. My dog is just on a little rampage. What does it smell like? I know the smell. It's not chemically, it's a very specific, I'll say beauty scent, but you can tell it's not natural, but it's a nice scent. So full size, I'm sure this will last a lot. I've been very curious to actually try one of these, so it's nice that I got this. I'm pretty excited with this one. So this actually is full size and €40.50. Yowza. Would I buy a €40 lash serum? I mean, I don't know how well they work. I'm excited that this is full size and I'll be able to properly try it and take before and after photos and see if I see a difference. It's nice. A little mess still, but cool. And last, the biggest item, probably not the most exciting. I am so not into this box, I'm sorry. This is the Inuwet body wash in Rose Jasmin scent. I know Inuwet, the brand. I've gotten, I think, a makeup brush from them before. They're nice. Does it smell lovely? It does. It smells really, really lovely. Rose and jasmine, floral scent. I'll use up the body wash. Body wash is nice. We got shampoo and a body wash. Alright, this guy is full size as I mentioned and worth €5.30. Losing my voice over the disappointment. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Yeah, this is nice. I'll use it. The body wash. Let's just go into our final thoughts. I have one question. Why were there no makeup items? I mean, I know Birchbox generally is more lean towards skincare and other products, but I don't know, I'm just so disappointed, especially because the last two were so good. And what do I got here? A shampoo and a body wash, and then a cream I can maybe use, maybe twice. That's how I feel about this box, if I'm being honest. I don't know, it sounds silly, but I almost would have rather just not paid my whatever 13, 14 euro and not gotten this box this month. That's how I feel, even though technically, yeah, the value is higher or whatever. I'm just, that really sucks. That's never a feeling you want to have. And like I mentioned, this is a box where I'm always on the edge, or I'm not sure month to month if I'm going to continue my subscription. Based on this one, I'm really not feeling like I should, but I am going to see what the December box holds, and hopefully that will rekindle my flame for Birchbox. It's just, for me, more than anything, kind of like, how come Glossy Box for basically the exact same cost, maybe €1 or €2 more, can do a box that's like 10 times cooler, with much cooler products, much more full-size products, and just overall better. That's the part for me that's really, really frustrating. So basically, those are my sentiments on November's box. Disappointment. Yeah. In any case, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and it gave you a little bit of an insight into this month and helped you with your decision whether or not you want to subscribe. I will put the value of this box in 3 currencies here in between my spirit fingers. And if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts down below. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate you subscribing and coming on this journey with me of whatever kind of videos I make. Basically, I have new videos every week and I have lots of fun and exciting things coming up, so it would be great to have you be part of that journey with me. I would really appreciate it. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I will hopefully catch you guys in the next video. Bye!